Today, we unbox and review the Fifine M050 gooseneck microphone. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tech Unbox video. So the people over at Fifine Technology sent us an adjustable mic to go through and review. So we're gonna go through and take a look at it. In this case, it's the Fifine Mini Gooseneck Adjustable Microphone. The K050 is the model number in case you're interested. But we're gonna take a look at it, see what's inside the box, see how the audio sounds, get this thing all set up, and see what this little guy's about. So again, the company that we're reviewing here today, they sent this to us. It's the Fifine Technology. This is their Fifine Mini Adjustable Gooseneck Microphone. And let's see if we can find like a serial number on there. There's one right there. K050 is this particular model. Looks like it can come in 4 different colors. You've got like a pink, a black, a blue, and a silver. And it looks like they've got the silver marked here. So let's see actually what we get. Okay, we got some nice foam padding on the top there. And this must be obviously the top of the microphone. There's the windscreen. Windscreen came off. You can see just a short little guy. Got a nice long USB cable. Got some information about the company here, and then of course a little manual booklet. Again, this is the K050, so let's go ahead and hook this thing up and see what it sounds like. Now that we've got the mic out of the box, I want to give you guys a first impression of the build quality of this thing and what I think. So as we were reading in the manual, we've got a 6-foot USB cable, which is really nice, so you've got plenty of room to work with, and of course since it's plug and play, it is compatible with PC and Mac. Leading up to the base, it's got a nice foam bottom of the base, so you don't have to worry about when you're sliding it around that it may scratch like your desktop. Again, with the base, it's got a nice weight to it, so you don't have to feel like it's gonna flop around or it's gonna like fall over while you're trying to use it. Unless you decide to go Hulk Hogan on it, then in that case, it may not actually work for you. Metal that holds the flexible part, the gooseneck of it, is actually really rigid and holds the shape very well, so you don't have to worry about that falling over once you've got the position set. And then of course on the top, you've got the removable windscreen in case you want that, but you can see the build quality as far as the diaphragm and everything like that. It's a really nice build quality. So again, Fifine did a really good job at the build quality of this thing, and it's really low profile, which makes it nice as well. So just like I did with the other microphone review, I wanted to plug this thing in, get it hooked up, and give you guys some samples of what the audio actually sounds like. So right now you're hearing just raw audio coming straight through the USB. It's plugged directly into the computer without any type of adjustments made. So I've noticed by just kind of like looking at the levels over here that if you're a loudspeaker or your voice tends to travel, you may want to move it further back, because I have it about 2 feet from my mouth right now, and it's still getting into the red. So it's a very sensitive mic, so you can make some adjustments either in software or just placing it around to make sure that you're getting the best type of audio coming from you. 20 bucks on Amazon. This thing is very solid. I've listened to a few clips of the audio. I'm actually quite happy with it. I think Fifine did an excellent job as far as providing a pretty budget item with good build quality for a cheap price. Just a couple scenarios. Again, this would be perfect for somebody starting a podcast, streaming service. You're traveling out, since it's such a low profile, you may want to bring this thing on like a business trip or whatever it is. It's cheap, it's low profile. As far as like putting it in a environment with a bunch of people around you, I don't know that it would work very well, because it does tend to pick up everything quite easily. So, but if you had a controlled environment where if it's just a few of you talking, you could definitely place this in that room, plug it into your computer, since it is compatible with a Mac or with a PC. I would imagine with it being just a simple USB plug and play that you could use it on a wide array of different devices. But once you've got it plugged in, you can just set it up, and since it's plug and play, they nailed it when it comes to a good performing product for a cheap price. And that wraps up today's video, bringing us into our question of the day. What other budget mics have you used? Leave your answers in the comments section below the video. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we have on this channel. We do a lot of stuff like unboxings like we did today, all the way over to tutorials and how-tos. I'll link a couple over there on the right-hand side of the screen for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and enable the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.